Affirm.com is a platform that provides a buy now and pay later plan. They allow consumers to purchase goods and services immediately and pay for them over time. So they pretty much keep everything simple. It's designed to offer full transparency, and they don't include any hidden fees that are traditionally associated with certain loans. They offer more flexible and transparent way to pay compared to traditional credit systems. Currently at a market cap of $10.3 billion, going for around $33 a share. They recently just went up around 200% this past year. We'll go ahead and do a little deep dive into this stock and company, see what they're all about. First things first, total revenue and earnings per share. They've been growing total revenue consistent for the past 2 years. 3 most recent quarters up 22, 37, and 47% consecutively. The huge improvements we're going to see is going to come from earnings per share. December of 2023 is the first quarter of positive earnings per share, up 149% from the previous year. In December of 2022, they posted negative $1.10 versus 54 cents in the December 23 quarter. So huge improvement in earnings per share. So again, December will be the first quarter posting positive earnings per share for Affirm.com. Next up, we'll look at cash flow per share and cash flow from operations. Starting with operations, as you can see, they're starting to become a trend of positive cash flow from their operations. Their most recent quarter of reported cash flow from operations, they are up 360% year over year. 360% improvement in cash flow is a huge achievement. Pretty much hit positive cash flows the past 3 quarters. And if you take a look at the per share count, they are up 157%, 200% consecutively in the previous 2 quarters. So huge improvements in their cash flows, and they'll soon be able to support their own business with their own cash flows instead of taking out loans and financing. They are still reporting negative net income coming in from around December of 2022 till to 2023. They've improved around 50%. So as you can see, this company is starting to become profitable. And lastly, some of the things they just talked about in the Fintech forum, just some important topics regarding the company's performance, strategies, and outlook. So what's next for Affirm? They are focused on expanding the core US market, their move toward international expansion, especially in the UK, and also continued development and scaling of the Affirm Card, which is going to be a direct-to-consumer offering, and this is one of their major priorities right now for their growth. Currently in the question and answers, they pretty much talk about how the Affirm Card sees notable traction. They currently have 700,000 active users using this card, plan to expand penetration among its 18 million users throughout their whole platform. They are focused on growth through product innovation, international expansion mainly, and a diversified approach to funding and credit management. So valuation-wise, going for a $10.3 billion market cap, I feel like this is a great company. They have some challenges for the next year, which includes scaling the core business and leveraging their Affirm Card. I feel like at this price, even though you missed a 200% gain in the past year, a $10 billion market cap valuation, they're on their way to hitting $2 billion in sales. I feel like this is still fairly valued. This is a fast growth company. The CEO is also the PayPal co-founder, Max. But yeah, it went all the way up to $51 in December, so a great 34% pullback. Personally, I would still be a buyer at this price, even though I missed a 200% run up. It does seem fairly valued still for what this company can do in the future. Again, you never want to pay too high for a stock, but as Warren Buffett said, it is far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. And Affirm.com to me is a wonderful company. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, like. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.